All right. Thank you all for joining Ecom Platform Overview. We will start now. So this is a 1 hour's overview. We will cover live session in terms of demo, modules, features, which are available for all our online users, online sellers, how you can use Ecom as a platform to expand your business, to expand your online selling, how we can help get you trending products, various features in terms of operational efficiency that you can drive in your online selling. So all that will be covered in this session. There are two parts. One is we will do a live session, and the other is there will be frequently asked questions which we're going to cover. And if you have any questions, we will also have a discussion on that. So I'm hoping no one of you is having any issue. So just an advisory: if you have any audio or visual issues, just refresh your session, or maybe you can log off and log back in. That should address the problem. So with that note, we can start. Let me just quickly share what we have for today in this session. So as I said, a clear walkthrough of Ecom capabilities. Ecom platform kya hai, how we are helping online sellers in India with various strategies, including dropship, including bulk purchases at wholesale rates, reselling capabilities, and then various tools and features which are necessary for you to do online selling. All that is covered when you join Ecom. So ये सारी capabilities, features, modules हम एक live demonstration करेंगे so that I can show you how it works in reality. People who are using it are existing users who are using it. So ये सारे features हम cover करेंगे in the first part. Second is we have Q&A section. Usme, if you have any questions during this session, if you have any question, my request is put that in the chat window. That will help us to review these questions towards the next part, and I will answer all your questions. The other important thing is this session will be a mix of English and Hindi. ये जो session है, I will try कि इसको हम English और हिंदी में mix रखें so that we are able to cover larger audience. That is the objective. However, if you have any issues, if you are not able to understand, please do let us know. We can have a separate conversation. We will try our best that we are able to connect with you. And the last thing is, if you have any questions during the webinar, I may not be able to answer your questions, but do drop your queries in the chat window or question Q&A section. And we will cover that towards the second part of our session. So with that note, we start now. I'm hoping a lot of users have already joined in. So this is an hour's overview. So we'll have a lot to cover. So let's have a start. So very first thing is when we say online selling, e-commerce, at the center of it is a product. A product which the end customer is looking for, and how best online sellers can dispatch or deliver that product to the end customer. One of the option is, you buy the product and then in bulk, keep it with yourself, and then whenever the sale happens, you dispatch it. That's one way. That's a traditional way. But nowadays, what you can do is you can use a platform like Ecom to avail the dropshipping services. Very effectively done, efficiently done. We have 10,000 plus SKUs which you can use. So this is all we're gonna discover today. So the very first thing is, when you join Ecom, you can search products. You can there are various ways to find products on your Ecom access, and then add them to your inventory as you select. So this is all we're going to cover. There are 4 stages which typically we cover. So first is we will cover how do we search the products on Ecom platform which you want to sell, and then what is the purpose of adding these products into the inventory, and how do we download. So we will, as I said, this will be a live session. So let me just take you to Ecom. So we are already there. So this is the so let me just kind of go to the platform first. So this is the landing page. I'm sure all of you are aware of. You have been there. You have seen this platform. So many capabilities, features, products are already available. Key thing to note is ecom is a B2B platform. We are not into direct selling. We are not selling our product directly to end customer. This is a very big differentiator between ecom and rest of other parties, if I may say, or maybe suppliers. Because every supplier in India right now doing B2B as well as B2C, which ethically we believe is not right. If I'm serving my business users, I shouldn't be doing B2C or selling directly to their customers, right? So this is a conflict of interest, so which as a value we don't do it. So this is something that we always highlight. We are an authentic B2B platform selling goods directly to business users at wholesale rates. Now, if you notice, when you have visited ecom platform, you must have not seen the prices of the products. That is done deliberately to ensure that end customers do not visit our platform, or because they tend to place orders, or they depend, we receive a lot of queries from end customers. So we deliberately don't do that. So only registered users are able to see the full catalog, all the prices and every detail of the product which is there on ecom. Now this is the a platform. So when you log in, you can just click on the user ID there, and on user ID you have a dashboard. So this is the panel that you get when you join ecom. There are various plans. One thing is ecom is a paid subscription based plan. We only value people who are genuinely interested to uplift their online business. So that's a reason we have kept it subscription based. And once you have selected appropriate plan, there are multiple plans that we have. Dependent on various business needs, you can select your plan. Each plan will give you various level of access in terms of products, features, and the other modules that we have, which we're going to cover today. So this is how when you log in as a registered business user, you will see the dashboard, you will see your seller panel, and so on your dashboard you should be able to see various stats in terms of number of products that you have. Any important announcement, you should be able to see it here. Like we recently launched a free online store for all our users, which is a very significant change in our platform that you can see, which we're going to cover shortly. Let's talk about the inventory product first, because that's the cornerstone of any online selling business. So we're going to cover that first. So we are on the ecom platform. So you can find products category wise. You can just go to any category and select the category, and you should be able to see those products there. Second is we have various segments. So you can see the various segments here as well. Like view all is where you will be able to see most of your products on this tab. Now the other thing is if you have a specific product, or maybe if you know the keyword, you can just put the keyword there, and you should be able to see products related to that keyword. So nowadays, summer is approaching. A lot of summer related products are there, so you can see these products. So if I put maybe let's try, if I put a fan, it should be able to bring in a lot of these products here, which are summer related. So this is something that you can use to find products which fits to your need requirement. Like we can see a fan here. So let me just quickly show you the product page. So this is how product page looks like. Product title, single piece price. If there are changes in the bulk quantity, you would see tiered pricing. आपको यहाँ पे tiered pricing भी दिख जाएगी. In case if you are interested in bulk purchase, like in this product, there is a flat pricing. So either you buy one or more, the prices wouldn't change. So this is but in case if the bulk pricing is available, अगर आपको bulk pricing available है, वो यहाँ पर आपको दिख जाएगा. So these are the details. You can see the images. These are high quality, high resolution images. ये important है online selling में. आपकी जो images quality है, ये बहुत अच्छा role play करती है. So we have made sure कि आपको जो भी product की images हैं, you should get that high resolution image quality. So ये product की जो details है, this will be available. Then the product specifications यहाँ पर available हैं. Description is available. Features are available. Shipping, you can see, how the shipping will be applied on this product basis the number of quantity, so that you can check. Most of the orders are coming in the dropship mode, so you can see the first level dependent on the volumetric weight. As you can see, this product is almost close to 500 gram, and the volumetric weight is 500 grams. So shipping rates would apply accordingly. So this is how. Now when let's assume you are interested in this product, what you can do is, the very first thing that is required is you need to add this product to your inventory. So I will click here, and as you can see, I'm able to add this product successfully in my inventory. Now what I need to do is, I'll show you how do I access the product content. That's something that I'll show you quickly. I'll go to my dashboard, and then these are various modules which are available to you. I will go to inventory, and I will click on my inventory. Here, as you can see, there are many products already added to my inventory. So that means I am able to promote all these products. So I'm interested in these products, and I can promote and sell these products on any platform. So this is the access that I get. So I can selectively search products and continue to add them in my inventory here. Now, some of you may have a question, what if I want to remove a product? Yes, you can remove a product from your inventory as long as that is not live or integrated to any of the external platform. So assuming अगर आपने ये product Amazon पे launch कर दिया है, integrate किया हुआ है, so then you will not be able to remove it. Otherwise, like we just added a recent product. This is the product. ये हमने अभी add किया था. In case if you feel this product is added by mistake, what you can do is you can remove it. Because we did not do anything. अभी तक हमने इस पे कोई action नहीं लिया है, इस product को हमने use नहीं किया है, इस प्रोडक्ट को हमने प्रमोट नहीं किया है, इसकी लिस्टिंग किसी और प्लेटफॉर्म पे, बी इट Amazon, बी इट एनी अदर प्लेटफॉर्म, योर ओन ऑनलाइन स्टोर, अगर आपने लिस्टिंग नहीं किया है, यू शुड बी एबल टू रिमूव इट. बट द मोमेंट जैसे ही आप वहाँ पे लिस्टिंग कर देते हैं, देन यू कैन नॉट रिमूव इट. रीजन बीइंग बिकॉज इंटीग्रेशन हैज ऑलरेडी टेकन प्लेस. ऑर्डर्स जो आपके आते हैं, फॉर दैट मैपिंग एंड ऑल दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड. सो एज अ टेक्निकल and platform level limitation, you will not be able to remove a product. What you can do is, in case if you're not interested in that product any longer, what you can do is you can remove the product's mapping. That means you are not interested. Basically you are disconnecting this product from your store. कहीं से भी आपने integrate किया है, आप उसकी mapping हटा देते हैं, and then after a month's time you should be able to remove it. By the time every connection, every integration will also be removed, so that you can remove the product. So this is the first step. Search the products. There are more than 10,000 SKUs available. आप उसको search करें, category wise search करें, keyword से search करें, look for your products. अपनी inventory को आप keep on adding good valuable products in your inventory, and then keep on launching them. So that is the very simple process. Second is, how do I download the product content? Very simple. Just select the product and click on download. When you click on download, there is a zip file which is available. उसको आप unzip करते हैं. You have product images or product file जिसमें आपके product की सारी details होती हैं. All that is available at a click of a button on your local machine. So this is as simple as this. This is what is required. आपको products देखने हैं, product inventory में add करना है, and then download. एक important चीज है download से related, which is when you are doing a product download, make sure you do that only when you need it. जब आपको नीड है तभी आप डाउनलोड करें, बिकॉज आपकी जो डाउनलोड लिमिट है वो भी प्लान लेवल पे लिमिटेड होती है. लाइक इफ आई गिव यू एग्जांपल, बूस्टर प्लान, इफ यू टेक इट, बूस्टर प्लान में आपको 300 प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं. Equally, you get 300 downloads in a month. So that means you can download 300 times in a month. Now, if you're just doing, downloads without considering that limit, then it may, you may face a challenge that, when you actually need it, to aapke download na ho. So this is a word of caution. This data is available. Product details are available whenever you need it. The only thing is, आप इसको डाउनलोड तभी करें जब आपको एक्चुअल नीड है. Don't do it unnecessarily. So this is about products, inventory, and how we can make good use of it. So we covered search, we covered important part of adding them to your inventory, and then download. How do we download the product details? So this is the basic stuff in terms of products. सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज, ओके, प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने इन्वेंट्री में ऐड कर लिए. आई सेलेक्टेड बेस्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स जो मुझे आई एम इंटरेस्टेड, अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर माई बिजनेस, उसको हमने ऐड कर लिया. सेकेंड इज, हाउ डू आई इंटीग्रेट, और व्हाट ऑल ऑप्शंस आर अवेलेबल फॉर इंटीग्रेशन. सो ecom gives you the option to integrate your ecom panel with Amazon, with your Shopify store, or any WordPress store. So these are the three options that are available, and that covers almost 80 to 90% of online selling need in India. Other than that, if you have a need, you want to sell it on social media, अगर आप वहाँ करते हैं, then you can do that. I mean, then integration is not required, or rather that is not possible. So आप वहाँ पे कर सकते हैं. You can आपके जो selling में कोई limitation नहीं है, आप किसी भी platform पे sell कर सकते हैं. आप even retail में भी sell कर सकते हैं. Right, so there are no limitations. So these are the three various platforms available. And when you onboard, जब आप join करते हैं, our onboarding team जो है वो आपसे connect करती है, and we explain it step by step. It's a very simple process. Be it Amazon integration, अगर आप Amazon के साथ integrate करते हैं, बहुत simple process है. Shopify store integration बहुत simple है. WordPress अगर आपका store है, WooCommerce अगर आपका store है, then the process is even simpler. Click of a button आपकी लिस्टिंग हो जाती है. क्लिक ऑफ अ बटन आपके ऑर्डर्स जो है सिंक हो जाते हैं, मैपिंग रहती है, प्रोडक्ट का जो स्टॉक है वो अपडेट हो जाता है. राइट, सो दीज आर द ऑपरेशनल नीड्स. ऑनलाइन सेलर के लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि आपने प्रोडक्ट सोर्स किया, आपने ढूंढ लिया, आपने उसको लिस्ट किया, लॉन्च किया, यू स्टार्टेड डूइंग द मार्केटिंग. अब जब आपके एक्चुअल में वो प्रोडक्ट रनिंग में आ जाता है, ऑर्डर्स आने शुरू हो जाते हैं, देन व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इज कि उसका स्टॉक जो है वो रियल में एक्यूरेटली अपडेटेड रहे. ऐसा ना हो कि आपके पास ऑर्डर्स आ रहे हैं और बैकएंड में जो है स्टॉक जो है वो खत्म हो गया. राइट, एंड देन इफ इट इज जस्ट वन प्रोडक्ट तो उसका स्टॉक अपडेट करना मैनुअली इज ईजी, बट रियलिटी इज ऑनलाइन सेलिंग में आप एक प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं कर सकते. You have to launch at least 100 products, then only you will find 5-6 hot selling product for yourself. So अब अगर 100 products को आपको launch करना है, उनको maintain करना है, updating the stock for all 100 products on a daily basis manually is not possible, right? So this is where ecom helps you across the platforms. आपको ये जो operational जो effort आपका लगता है वो बिल्कुल minimize हो जाता है. आपका online selling जो work है वो automate हो जाता है. That means आप focus कर सकते हैं अपने selling के ऊपर focus कर सकते हैं, product के ऊपर focus कर सकते हैं, अपने end customer पे focus कर सकते हैं, and that results into higher growth for your business. So this is the value that ecom is trying to build for all online sellers in India, and we continue to add these capabilities. We will have many other options as well, और भी options available होंगे जहाँ पर आप इंटीग्रेशन कर सकते हैं. We will also have ecom's own APIs. So अगर आपकी कोई अपनी custom store है in any other technology stack which is not available right now, तो उसको आप हमारे APIs के थ्रू भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, but that is upcoming. It is not available right now, but that is upcoming. So this is the integration part, and now let me just show you where you see all these features. So if I go to my online seller panel, I can see integration, and you can see all various platforms. So I can see Amazon, I can see Shopify, I can see WooCommerce, Amazon integration, all the steps are already mentioned. There's a video that is available, very easy. Any non-technical person can also do it. You know, the way जिस तरह से e-com ने इस process को simplify किया हुआ है, you are not dependent on a platform. Any person can do it. Even if, like, you know, Shopify, sometimes we keep on hearing base जो plans होते हैं उसमें integration का option Shopify से नहीं मिलता है. Even those users can take good use of our integration capability. So every information is available step by step. You know, you don't have to do it. आप एक बार करेंगे, आपको next time से you don't even have to look at these steps. Very simple. And anyways, our onboarding team will be connecting with you. जब आप register करते हैं, so हमारी जो onboarding team है वो भी आपको ये सारे steps explain करती है, so that it's easy for you to follow these steps. So that's how integration process is covered. Now let's quickly see what we have next. Okay, so next is orders. So we have products की हमने बात कर ली. हमने products, best products जो है उनको ढूंढा, अपने inventory में add किया, उनको उनकी listing की. So we have the product details, everything is done. अच्छा काम करके हमने सारे अच्छे products को इन्वेंट्री में ऐड करके हमने उनको लॉन्च किया, अपने अमेजोन पे लॉन्च किया और मे बी अपने ऑनलाइन स्टोर पे हमने उसको लॉन्च कर दिया. नाउ द रियल बिजनेस इज, यू नो, वंस यू स्टार्ट ऑर्डर्स, तो अब ऑर्डर्स कैसे करने हैं. Most of the business users are interested in dropship. So dropship पे थोड़ा सा बात कर लेते हैं. Dropshipping is basically a concept. It's a strategy in online selling जहाँ पर आपको अपफ्रंट जो है प्रोडक्ट्स को, स्टॉक को बाय नहीं करना होता. दैट मीन्स कि आपकी जो एक अच्छी खासी कैपिटल है वो इन्वेस्ट नहीं होती है. एंड दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑनलाइन सेलर्स. रीजन इज, online selling में when you start selling the products, you do not know if a product will actually sell or not. आपको नहीं पता होता है कि प्रोडक्ट जो है वो सेल होगा या नहीं होगा. प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी हो सकती है, प्रोडक्ट का प्राइसिंग बहुत अच्छा हो सकता है, बट यू आर नॉट टू श्योर. एंड दिस इज अ रियलिटी. इवन इफ यू आर सेलिंग विद द बेस्ट ऑफ द प्राइसेस, बेस्ट ऑफ द क्वालिटी, you cannot be sure of unless you experiment it. And this is where dropship comes into the picture. You can experiment with lot many products. Typically, as our experience says, जब आप 10 प्रोडक्ट को लॉन्च करते हैं उसमें से एक प्रोडक्ट सक्सेसफुल होता है. एंड सक्सेसफुल मीन्स उसकी विजिबिलिटी अच्छी होती है, उसके ऑर्डर्स आते हैं. सो दैट मीन्स इफ यू एक्चुअली बाय स्टॉक फॉर 10 प्रोडक्ट्स और उसमें से एक सक्सेसफुल हो रहा है, then it is very very difficult for you to earn any reasonable profits, because 9 products अगर आपके सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो रहे हैं और अगर आपने bare minimum 5 क्वांटिटी भी ली है, that means those products will be unsold with you. तो वो आपकी इन्वेंट्री स्टक हो जाती है, it goes waste. So this is where आपको dropship जो है as a concept, as a strategy can really help you. What you can do is you can use take advantage of e-com platform and identify good product जो आपको अच्छे लगते हैं, products which has the potential, good rates. Seasonal products like summer के जो products हैं, now they will be in good demand. Very soon rainy season is coming in, so you can plan for rainy products like raincoats, maybe umbrella, small umbrella that can be carried easily. तो ये जो products होते हैं ये काफी hot selling seasonal products होते हैं, so you can plan for them. And the best part is you can do that through dropship strategy. So you launch, if you see product is gaining good traction, अच्छी visibility मिल रही है और उसके अच्छे orders आने शुरू हो गए हैं, then you buy the product in bulk. So this is how dropship is really helping a lot of online sellers to transform their online selling business, identify the product which are working for them. And the other reality is, ऐसा नहीं है कि a product जो मेरे लिए काम कर रहा है वो सबके लिए काम करेगा, because nowadays platforms पे, जिस भी platform पे हम sell करते हैं, जो उनके selling या visibility, product visibility के जो algorithms होते हैं, they are so advanced, so diverse कि उसको dissect करना बड़ा मुश्किल है. Regional views अलग होते हैं, income level पे views अलग होते हैं, so these are different views. So what is working for me may not be working for other online sellers. So the idea is every online seller has the equal opportunity to sell products. So don't compare yourself or products. Typically I hear a lot of online sellers I am buying a product at 50 rupees shipping cost is 45, my product cost is coming around 99 or 100 rupees, but I see people are already selling it less than 99 rupees on Amazon. So this is a typical question that we face from our users. Now the simple answer is, see, as I said, you don't have to compare yourself or your product with other online sellers. We don't know, हमें नहीं पता है कि जो बाकी ऑनलाइन सेलर्स हैं अगर उन्होंने 99 में किया तो व्हाट इज द रीजन. क्या वो अंडरकट कर रहे हैं, अंडर प्राइसिंग कर रहे हैं, जस्ट टू गेन विजिबिलिटी. एक स्ट्रैटेजी है, वो आप भी कर सकते हैं. सो मे बी अगर वो लॉसेस में करके अपना विजिबिलिटी बढ़ा रहे हैं और बाद में शायद प्राइस इंक्रीज करें, ये एक फैक्टर हो सकता है. सेकेंड फैक्टर इज मे बी उनके पास बल्क में अच्छी खासी क्वांटिटी है और दे जस्ट वांट टू क्लियर इट. Because it happens, sometimes when you are not able to sell your products, you undercut कि आपका जो at least the cost price है वो भी recover हो जाए, तो that is also a good option. So there are various options. You cannot compare yourself with other online sellers and pricing. And as I said, every online seller comes from different regions. Every product जो है वो अलग-अलग region से होते हैं. And customer also comes from various regions. Nowadays, online selling is not limited to metros. It is very, very relevant in tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, even in small towns and villages, right? So visibility is different. So every online seller, every product stands good chance as long as you have good account performance, as long as you manage the services, right price, right product. Every online seller and a product has equal chance of selling. So that is what the dropshipping as a concept is. Now let's quickly cover the orders. तो अब जब आपके orders आते हैं on e-com, what you can do is, now let's quickly move on. I'll take you. So inventory was one module. Similarly, we have orders as another module. तो orders का एक module है जो आपको यहाँ पे visible हो जाता है. यहाँ पर आपको my orders हैं. ये my orders जो हैं वहाँ पर वो basically this is like all your orders. जितने भी आपके orders होते हैं वो यहाँ पे visible हो जाते हैं. You can see the status, product details, customer, quantity, date when the order came in, channel, what is the status right now, whether it is paid or not, which category, whether it's a dropship, bulk, prepaid, COD, all these options, ये सब आपको यहाँ पे visible हो जाता है. You can track, आप इस order पे click करके उसकी tracking details check कर सकते हैं. So all that is available here. Now there are two ways आप orders को process करते हैं. One is manual. So manual is typically done like social media में अगर आप sell कर रहे हैं, so then you have to create orders manually. Second is somebody selling on WhatsApp, तो bulk में orders नहीं आते हैं. It is like single orders or maybe 3-4 orders in a day. तो इस cases में आप उनको manually create कर सकते हैं. Process is very simple. Click on create new order and just fill in all the details. Dropship की आपकी जो भी customer से related details हैं वो आप यहाँ पे fill करते हैं. Product का SKU which is already यहाँ पर added है because there was already added in the product in the draft. So you see the product already. Otherwise you can put the SKU here. Like if I put the SKU and add it, the product is added here. I can remove the other one. So इस तरह से आप अपने SKU को add कर सकते हैं. आप quantity mention कर सकते हैं. Then you can select whether it is prepaid or COD. If COD is available, it will be available. Otherwise, you can see that in the product section as well. वहाँ पर आप filter से भी search कर सकते हैं. I can show you quickly here. If you see, want to see view all and all the products in COD. So I have selected COD. So these are the products जहाँ पर COD option भी available है. But word of caution, do not be dependent on COD more because our experience is COD products mostly has almost 40 to 50% of returns. So that really drains you in terms of overall logistic and shipping cost. So that's just a word of caution. Prepaid orders, are more assured orders, which we know that customer has already paid and it's a genuine order. So this is how you can process dropship orders manually. Very simple. Product की आपको details SKU है, customer की details को आपको fill करना है, mention the quantity, and then the other option that you get is payment options. There are two payment options. One is you can pay standard amount along with through a payment gateway. If you want to avoid payment gateway, you can also pay through ecom wallet. That will save you payment processing charges. Like in this case, processing charges coming to 4.7, almost close to 5 rupees. That you can save when you pay through ecom wallet. You can just in advance add money to your ecom wallet and use that to process all your orders. So that's where you can save on your payment processing charges. So this is one way. Second option is integrated orders. So this is where, as I said, आपका जब integration आपके platform के साथ हो जाता है, sync हो जाते हैं. So when you receive orders, like if you have Amazon के साथ आपका integration हो गया है, Amazon के जितने भी आपके जो orders होंगे, self ship orders, this is important. Amazon में जो orders आप sell करते हैं drop ship के लिए, that is called self ship. So all self ship orders will be visible here, which you just have to verify. There is a process. How do you bring orders sync करके आप कैसे यहाँ पे लेके आते हैं? Click of a button वो हो जाता है. Very simple. We will update that. All the steps are already mentioned in the integration page. Just select the order and then make the payment. That's it. आप payment wallet से कर सकते हैं, आप payment gateway से कर सकते हैं. The choice is yours. Similarly, if you have orders coming from your Shopify store, again you can do the same thing. Click of a button. आपके जितने भी Shopify store पे जो आपके orders होते हैं वो यहाँ पर sync हो जाते हैं. Verify order details. Everything is fine. Select the order. Make the payment. Simple. Similarly for WooCommerce, you just select WooCommerce and all the orders which are there. Select the order, verify. As I said, I'm in fetch. So if you just click on fetch and all your orders, जो आपके WooCommerce store पे orders होंगे वो सारे यहाँ पे visible हो जाएंगे. Select them, make the payment, and that's it. Once you make this payment is successful, all your orders will be visible in My Orders. So that means यहाँ से आपके orders की tracking शुरू हो जाती है. The order का जो status होता है, it starts with pending and then it goes into in progress. वहाँ से ये dispatch में होता है, dispatch से in transit and then delivered. So this is how orders will move. Now, so let's have a look at it. So the process that we have covered is हमने drop shipping के बारे में बात किया. Then we talked about orders. आप manually orders create कर सकते हैं. आप integrated जो आपके orders होते हैं, automatically जो orders आते हैं, उनको आप process कैसे कर सकते हैं, ये हमने cover किया. Now let's quickly talk about returns and RTO. So this is another important piece in online selling. Returns, it's a reality. Online selling अगर आप कर रहे हैं, अगर आपने start किया है, be ready. Returns are a reality. ऑनलाइन सेलिंग के बहुत बेनिफिट्स हैं. आपकी जो कॉस्ट ऑफ रनिंग योर बिजनेस इज वेरी लो. आप बहुत जल्दी आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, बट द वन ड्रॉबैक इज कि रिटर्न्स आते हैं. यस, रिटर्न्स आर देयर. इट इज एंड यू कैन जस्ट उसका जो बेस्ट ऑप्शन है कि आप अपनी जो सेलिंग प्राइस है उसमें एक सर्टेन परसेंटेज रिटर्न का भी उसमें कैप्चर करके रखें. सो दिस इज द ओनली वे यू विल बी एबल टू मैनेज रिटर्न एक्सपेंसेस. Now question is, how do we manage returns? So return is you can file returns, any genuine return that you have जो customer से आया है, wrong product delivered, defective product delivered, please mention that, file that on ecom. The policy is within 2 days from delivery you should be able to file the return. आप 2 दिन में जब आप return को file करते हैं, everything will be processed here and we will be able to take care of it. If it's a defective product, a wrong product delivered, full refund will be given to you. Second option is the result. I mean the return जो होता है, एक return होता है, and the second is RTO, return to origin. Return to origin उन cases में होता है जहाँ पे order deliver नहीं हुआ. Reason can be the incorrect address, maybe जो recipient है वो available नहीं है, और inclement weather conditions, logistic वहाँ पे नहीं पहुँच सकता, whatever. So any reason जो order है वो deliver नहीं हुआ. So now what happens is it returns to origin. That means वो supplier के warehouse में वापस आ जाता है. Now the best part is, in case of a RTO, you do not have to do anything. Ecom will manage that for you. You don't even have to look at RTO cases. If RTO happens, nothing is required from your side. ये automatically ecom platform पे track होते हैं. जैसे ही RTO का जो ऑर्डर है, उसका जो प्रोडक्ट है सप्लायर के वेयर हाउस में वापस आ जाता है, आपको जो रिफंड है वो मिल जाता है. योर रिफंड विल बी ओवरऑल ऑर्डर अमाउंट, उसमें से आपका जो लॉजिस्टिक कॉस्ट है दैट विल बी चार्ज, रिमेनिंग जो बैलेंस है वो आपको रिफंड हो जाता है. सो दिस इज हाउ RTO वर्क्स. आपको इसमें यू डोंट हैव टू, आपको कोई एफर्ट नहीं डालना है, इसको कोई ट्रैक नहीं करना है. ऑटोमेटिकली ऑल योर RTOs विल बी filed and refund will be applied to your wallet. So this is the beauty, this is the differentiator with e-com. आप जब e-com पे associate होते हैं, so इस तरह के benefits आपको मिलते हैं जो operationally जो hassles है that you get. Typically, you know, we get to hear free suppliers, but there is nothing called free. आप जब free suppliers के काम करते हैं तो आपको लगता है कि free से ज़्यादा expensive हैं वो. You know, these are the benefits that you get, which you will not be able to get from any other party. Now, so this is what we covered in the orders part. Overall, what we're going to do is, let's quickly see if what is the next section we have. The other important thing is we also have other, you know, tools, features जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं ऑनलाइन सेलिंग में. वी अंडरस्टैंड you know, these are required by all online sellers, so we have given them complimentary. This is available to all our existing users. Shipping calculator, it's available there. आपको किसी भी दो you know locations के बीच में अगर आपको shipping calculate करना है, you can do that. आप e-com पे कर सकते हैं. QR code generator is there, which is very very important if you have to use it for your own website, for your business, pricing, product की details. किसी के लिए भी अगर आपको QR कोड जनरेट करना है, you can do that absolutely on e-com. So this is another you know differentiator that we have provided to all our online sellers. Image converter, this is a big difference that makes. You know, आप किसी भी एक image, product image को one file type to another file type convert कर सकते हैं very easily. Now you may say कि ये तो सभी जगह अवेलेबल होता है, these are free tools, मे बी गूगल पे आप सर्च करोगे तो अवेलेबल हो जाएगा. yes, you know, these are the free tools available. बट जो सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस है e-com इमेज कन्वर्टर में, यहाँ पर आप इमेजेस को बल्क में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड व्हेन आई से बल्क, नॉट जस्ट इन नंबर्स, आई एम सेइंग फोल्डर्स. बिकॉज सी टिपिकली ऑनलाइन सेलर जब प्रोडक्ट्स पे काम करते हैं, लिस्टिंग में काम करते हैं, सो दे लाइक इफ देयर आर 10 प्रोडक्ट्स, 10 प्रोडक्ट पे आप काम कर रहे हैं तो 10 प्रोडक्ट के 10 फोल्डर इमेजेस होते हैं. उनको अगर आपको कन्वर्ट करना है तो मैनुअली आपको एक एक फोल्डर की इमेज में जाके उनको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. बट हेयर ऑन ई-कॉम, दिस इमेज कन्वर्टर, यू जस्ट हैव टू upload one master folder which contains all sub folders and images, और अब वो जो है वो आपके डेस्टिनेशन फाइल टाइप में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है विद द सेम फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर, मास्टर फोल्डर, सब फोल्डर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स एंड देन उसके अंदर ईच प्रोडक्ट की इमेजेस. सो दिस इज अ डिफरेंशिएटर. यही काम अगर आप किसी और टूल से करते हैं इंडिविजुअली वन बाय वन अगर आप करते हैं, इट मे टेक हाफ एन आवर और 1 hour you know for 10 products. But here when you do it, you can do it in one go, you know, maybe just 2-3 minutes. And आपके जो 10 के 10 प्रोडक्ट है वो उनकी फाइल टाइप JPG से अगर आप PNG कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, maybe in 2 minutes you can do. So imagine the kind of time, effort it saves, and we are able to do it. Why? Because we understand online sellers business, we understand their challenges. So this is not a graphic designer's business, this is online sellers business. So we understand them. And this is where our tools are reflecting that we want to make a change. We want to really make your business efficient. Then free GST invoice maker, ये भी एक बहुत बड़ी need है. A lot of users gave us feedback that we want to create invoices, अगर कोई ऐसा option हो. So we have that for you. It is also available. Let me just quickly show you. So when you go to e-com, these are available. So if I just click on GST invoice maker, you just fill in the details. आपको अपनी इमेज कंपनी का लोगो लगाना है, you just upload that. इनवॉइस नंबर का कोई रेफरेंस, कोई सीक्वेंस आपको फॉलो करना है, you can do that. आपको डेट अब चेंज करनी है, ऑर्डर रेफरेंस नंबर डालना है, बिजनेस नेम आपका क्या है वो डालना है. सो जस्ट पुट इन ऑल द डिटेल्स, और ये सारी डिटेल्स आपकी यहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्ट होती है रियल टाइम, एंड यू कैन जस्ट प्रीव्यू देम एंड डाउनलोड द PDF एंड योर इनवॉइस इज डन. Right, so this is as simple as this. You know, let me show you other options that we have. image converter, as I said. So these are the options. Select the input which image file folder. So as I said, folder जिस तरह से है, तो आप मास्टर फोल्डर यूज कर सकते हैं. उसके अंदर जितने भी सब फोल्डर हैं, जितने भी इमेजेस हैं, वो आप इन वन को यू कैन कन्वर्ट. So imagine if you have 10 products or 50 products. 50 products के अगर if I take 250 images, right? So that becomes very very difficult अगर आपको उसको manually करना है. But here you can do that in one go. So imagine the amount of time that it saves to your daily work. QR code generator, another very efficient tool. You have आपकी अपनी website है, उसको आप QR code कर सकते हैं. Social media handles, your own business card, just put in all the details and you have your own QR code generator जो आप download कर सकते हैं. So similarly, all your contact details, you can create a QR code. So these are the free tools, complementary tools that we are able to make available. Ecom wallet is another function which is available. So as I just shared, कि आप अपने dashboard पे you can see wallet. So you can see my wallet, add money. You can add the money, 3 simple steps. Just mention UPI, QR code और bank transfer. If it's a bank transfer, आपको bank details यहाँ पे available है. Add the Ecom India Private Limited. These are our official bank details available हैं. इनसे आप add कर सकते हैं. If you're adding to wallet frequently, तो आप इसको bank details को add करें. Otherwise, UPI is the most preferred option. So आप UPI से कर सकते हैं. आपको add करने का कोई need नहीं है. Mention the quantity in the multiples of 500 up to 10,000, not more than 10,000. Scan the QR code, make the UI payment, and then just reference number add करना है. Upload the screenshot. That's it. Your wallet will be uploaded. Product lead, ये एक बहुत अच्छा feature है, which is like if you think there are products that you're interested, and if the product is not available on Ecom, the chances are yes, there are millions of products, and there is a possibility कि जो product आप देख रहे हैं वो Ecom पर available नहीं है. And if you feel that Ecom can help you get that product, आप उसको प्रोडक्ट लीड में जाके ऐड कर दीजिए. सिंपल जस्ट पुट अ QR कोड, मे बी इमेज, गिव अस सम डिटेल्स कि ये इस तरह का प्रोडक्ट है जो आपको यू आर इन नीड. एंड जो हमारी सोर्सिंग टीम है, वी लुक आउट फॉर दैट प्रोडक्ट. हम उसको अपने जो हमारे नेटवर्क सप्लायर्स हैं उनके साथ देखते हैं पहले, सो दैट वी गेट इट क्विकली डन बेस्ट प्राइसेस पे. और अगर नेटवर्क सप्लायर में नहीं है, वी स्टिल गो एक्सटर्नली. इट टेक्स सम टाइम बिकॉज एवरी सप्लायर अगर किसी के पास अवेलेबल है और वो सप्लायर अगर हमारे पास नहीं है, देन वी ऑनबोर्ड द सप्लायर फर्स्ट, विच टेक्स टाइम बिकॉज वी डू द KYC. सप्लायर के साथ जो नेगोशिएशंस हैं, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है, वो पहले होता है. बट वी डू दैट. सो इस तरह से आप कोई भी ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जो आपके लिए यू थिंक पोटेंशियली अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है और अवेलेबल नहीं है, यू कैन सजेस्ट टू अस, वी विल हेल्प यू गेट दैट प्रोडक्ट. Cash on delivery option is already available. The other important thing is we on Ecom, since online selling, the logical conclusion is for every online seller, आपका एक online store is a requirement nowadays, because you cannot continue to be dependent on platforms. आपको धीरे धीरे अपने brand को store को you should launch, and that's where Ecom is able to bring in online store option for all our users. So you can go to get your own store page. You can launch your store complimentary. This is available for all our users who are signing up for booster 6 months and onward plans. So when you do that, आपको एक online store जो है वो complimentary मिलता है. This is a big offer that online is able to provide to all our users. So if you're looking, अगर आपको अपना store बनाना है, or even if you already have existing store, I'm sure you must be spending more than 5,000 rupees a month to maintain a store. But here, this is just a one-time, it's a complimentary. You're getting the subscription ki value I have already showed you, and your store is complimentary. So this is like, a good value for money offer, which is available. You should, we recommend all our online sellers that, at least, even if you're not planning to sell on your own store, at least get it ready, because सबसे important चीज़ है SEO, search engine optimization. And SEO is something जो overnight नहीं होता है, it takes time. So let's assume आज आप online selling, online store नहीं करते हैं. Maybe 1 year down the line when you decide that you want to launch your own online store, but then it will take you time to create your own SEO, good SEO. बट आज अगर आपका अपना एक स्टोर रेडी है विच हैज़ अ गुड कंटेंट, प्रोडक्ट आपको ई कॉम से मिल जाते हैं, सो यू हैव अ स्टोर, प्रोडक्ट रेडी स्टोर, which if any visitor comes, they want to place the order, ecom will be able to fulfill all the orders for you. So this is a good opportunity. Get a store created, put it live, we will maintain it, you don't have to, this is one time investment that you're going to do. Recurring cost will be even less than 1500 rupees including the subscription, right? So this is good value for money offer. And in times to come, slowly and gradually your SEO will also build up, so organically you will start receiving orders. So all users who are like not planning to launch the store, still I recommend go for it, because this will help you in the SEO part. So these are the features that are available, various themes that we provide to all our users. There is a difference. Yes, marketplace, own store, these are the benefits that you get, and our recommendation is genuine true online seller should not be dependent on marketplaces. Their policy changes, something goes wrong which was not in your control, and then your business is kind of at their mercy. So ideal thing is have your own place, don't be on a rented premise, have your own place, do your business, so that you have the assurity, you have a better control, your customer, you can handle your customers directly. So that is the benefit that you get. Ultimately online selling is not just a side thing. It's a very serious business. It has a good potential. A lot of people are really kind of doing good in this space, and I do not see any reason why anybody in India should not be able to kind of make it big with online selling. So these are the various features that we are able to bring it for all our users. Connect to our expert if you're interested. We'll be more than happy to walk you through features, benefits, and this is all automated. We will require some details from your side. कुछ basic details है जो हमें आपसे we would need, and then our team will be able to set it up quickly. As per your brand, we should be able to create your own dedicated online store with products. Now it's up to you. You want to bring all the products from ecom. आप ecom के सारे products वहाँ पे launch करना चाहते हैं, you can do that. आपके अपने products हैं वो आपको sell करने हैं, आप कर सकते हैं. आपको prepaid products करने हैं, आपको COD products करने हैं, all you can do that. And slowly and gradually, there are various things. Online store is not just about few pages. Online store can be really a serious business with advanced features. So slowly and gradually, as you get into online selling, जैसे आपको business expand होता है, you would understand your requirements, advanced features, advanced needs that you can keep on adding. Ecom can help you. Ecom has various add-ons which we have already given to our users. So and these are at a very very nominal rates compared to market. We are, if I talk about from SEO packages, I mean SEO जो है वो बहुत ही subjective होता है. There are companies that charges lakhs of rupees to maintain SEO. So SEO package, basic SEO package which can help online seller to have good returns in 6 to 12 months is as low as 5,000 rupees. Which is you would not get in the market. Any user if you hire will charge you maybe 15 to 20,000 rupees a month to do the SEO for you. So that is the difference. That is the difference that you get on ecom when you get associated. You have a real good partner जो आपका backend में a lot of things are being managed. Product side से हम चीजें manage कर रहे हैं. Online store features, operationally जो आपकी needs hai, that is being managed by ecom. So all this value, and that's the reason we are a B2B space. That's the reason we are a subscription based, because we want to value genuine online sellers who are serious, and we can make a difference in their business. So that's the idea. Now with that, we are almost at the end of our session. What we can do is quickly let me see the time. We have another 10 minutes. We have comparison. This is important. वैसे मैंने आपको सारे features I have explained but I can go through it one more time. I can show you, if you decide to join ecom, what all benefits you will get. And when I say benefits, these are the real benefits, right? There is no fancy thing about it. There is no marketing about it. What we are showing, we actually do it, right? So features, platform integration, we talked about it. We are saying Amazon is there, WordPress, WooCommerce stores, you can integrate any Shopify store, you can integrate. And by the way, this is available on ecom along with your subscription. You don't have to pay extra. You don't have to maintain or pay support fees. कुछ नहीं देना है, आपकी subscription का part है ये. This is a standard feature that you get with your ecom subscription. Unlike other suppliers or platforms, जो अलग से separately integration का charge करते हैं, we don't do that. And the other thing is, technology wise, the moment you get the access, everything is available. You don't have to wait. आपको कोई wait नहीं करना है, कोई अलग से panel बना के या कुछ कर नहीं रहा है. Simple your user ID, your PAN और GST, whatever, आप PAN से भी रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं, GST से भी कर सकते हैं. जैसे ही आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन होता है, आपको पूरा एक्सेस मिल जाता है. Everything is ready. That's the benefit you get on ecom, because we are a genuinely B2B platform driving technology-led changes for online sellers. Download ready images, titles and pricing. So this is on the content side, very very important. हम प्रोडक्ट सेल कर रहे हैं, बट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट बाद में सेल होता है, डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट पहले सेल होता है. सो कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड, वी वांट टू मेक श्योर प्रोडक्ट कंटेंट हमारे यूजर्स को शुड बी अवेलेबल क्लिक ऑफ अ बटन whenever they need it, and that's how it happens. Click of a button, it is available whenever you need it. You can download, you can use it, you can launch it. So that's the flexibility that you get. Free e-commerce online store, yes, I just explained. एक आपको good quality professional brand online store आपको मिल जाता है along with your subscription. Now this is the offer which is not available. Nobody can offer that to you, including some of the global platforms. I would not name them. They may give it for free for 3 months, but then they charge, and you're paying them almost 5,000 to 6,000 rupees a month. Compared to on ecom, we are not even 20% of their cost. So that is the difference that ecom is able to create. We are creating that buzz with online sellers. People are really excited to see, okay, here's a Indian brand which is able to provide so much of value and giving tough competition to a lot of global players. Product stock visibility, yes, this is important. आप ऑनलाइन सेलिंग कर रहे हैं, you would want to know कि जो प्रोडक्ट आप प्रमोट करते हैं, कोई सेल करना चाहते हैं, you would know how much stock is available. So that is that transparency available. Pricing is clearly available to you. We deal in B2B only. This is something that I made it clear. So all our transactions are only B2B. We do not sell any of our product to end customers. Right, this is a big difference. काफी suppliers हैं जो B2B, B2C भी sell करते हैं. Mostly free suppliers. This is what we get to hear. हमें products free में मिल गए हैं. But please try and understand, there is nothing free. आप जब free में products लेते हैं, if I share you the math, you are actually promoting their own business. आप उनके फ्री प्रोडक्ट्स लेते हैं, किसी प्लेटफॉर्म पे लॉन्च करते हैं, फिर अल्टीमेटली यू डू अ एड. आपका जब ऐड करते हैं, आपके ऐड के नीचे ही उसी सप्लायर के प्रोडक्ट्स भी विजिबल होते हैं. सिंपल रीजन इज बिकॉज उनकी प्राइसिंग आपसे कम है. राइट, यू कैन नॉट कम्पीट योर ओन सप्लायर विद प्राइसिंग. तो उनके प्राइसेस जो हैं उस प्रोडक्ट पे आपसे कम होंगे. एंड एनी प्लेटफॉर्म दैट यू आर सेलिंग विल शो lower prices product, similar lower prices product to the end customer. तो आप एडवर्टाइजमेंट करते हैं, आपके एडवर्टाइजमेंट को क्लिक करके लोग आपके प्रोडक्ट को देखते हैं. ऑन द सेम प्रोडक्ट पेज, सेम प्रोडक्ट जो है नीचे अवेलेबल होता है एट अ लोअर कॉस्ट. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, 80 to 90% of the time, end customer buys that lower cost product. So now you tell me, is it a free? You're paying, this is very very expensive for our business users. So it's a gimmick, it's a trap, it's like, easy thing to do, but whenever you start with easy things, you don't get results. So in a way, if you're spending life energies for next 6 months building a business, hoping that, you will get good orders, and then if that doesn't translate into good results, it kind of brings in disappointment. So do not get into this free scheme thing. Please spend. I mean, doing a business is a real thing. It requires real investment in terms of effort, time, and money. Yes, that is required. So there is nothing called free. The other thing is product categories, 50 plus categories we provide. We continue to add. The only thing that we don't do right now is grocery products and industrial products. The rest, everything is covered. Free tools, we have already covered. Number of free tools जो already available हैं. When you are associated with us, आपको ये सारे free tools available हो जाते हैं. And then logistic and tracking. So pan India logistic and tracking is something that we do. Completely on platform. You don't have to go anywhere. No follow-ups. Everything is available on the panel itself. So this is the value that you get. I mean, this is just we are not able to put everything because of the time and space constraints. यहाँ पर we have just given you some of the important things here. But there is much more value you get when you get associated with e-com. Moving forward, support, we have chat support, we have ticketing system, we have webinar, which we are doing right now. So webinar पे भी आप अपनी queries कर सकते हैं. Phone support is available, that is only on the higher plans. Chat support is available to everybody, which is very, very effective. You can just drop us a chat and our agents will be able to help you. In case you don't get a response, at least we know that you contacted and we'll get back to you. So that is how we are currently servicing all our existing users as well as new prospects. So that's how we are covering when it comes to support. Now what we're going to do is, keeping in the interest of time, we can quickly move to so subscription is something which is already there. The page is there. I would strongly recommend Booster 6 months onwards plan. If you plan to get on board with ecom, please register or select Booster 6 months onward plan, because that will give you the maximum value. Always have, when you're doing online selling, 6 to 1 year's time frame is required. Don't expect results in 1 month. Don't expect results in 2 months. Please, I'm very, very clear. You will not get results, and that's the reason we don't promote 1 or 2 months plans. Right? It is just time wasting. Hoping that in a month's time we'll be able to do anything for you, or you will be able to create any difference in your business. It takes time, so that's the reason setting the right expectation. Take 6 months or longer plans, so that at least you have a certain commitment to your business and you get desired results. Let's quickly move to frequently asked questions, or before that, let me just see if there are, so I think most of the questions I've already covered. Let me see if there are any questions that we have from our users, so that I can quickly let me just, no, I can see a few questions. Let me see. You can use chat window as well. आप अपनी chat में भी questions डाल सकते हैं. I am here to support you. I'll answer all your questions. We have good users who are there right now. I'm hoping this session is informative for you. While I have covered everything, but considering you all come from various backgrounds, various expectations, I may not be able to cover everything. But if you give me a hint, or if you give me a question, I may be able to help you. As I said, support is there. Support as in terms of chat. We are available on chat. We are available for all our existing user. Ticket is there, ticket system, which is very, very prompt. There's a question, what is the TAT for higher plans? If I understand, turnaround time for higher plans. See, I mean, if the question is how soon you get the access, that is immediate. So turnaround time to get your access for higher plans is immediate. I mean, you select the plan, you make the payment, it's successful, and you get your registration done. Immediate. And then the how it's going to go is, once you confirm your registration or your association with ecom, it will come to our system automatically. It will be informed to onboarding team. Onboarding team will reach out to you. आपसे basis your plan, basis your features, वो आपसे connect करते हैं. Like Amazon integration है, so Amazon integration will be explained to you. If it is a Shopify store, your online store, WooCommerce store, उससे related है, that will be explained to you. E-com का जो overall view है, overview है, that will be given to you. Orders कैसे process करने हैं, right products को कैसे add करना है, all that will be done. So this is the process, and I hope, I mean, turnaround time, this is what I get. So I'm hoping I was able to answer your question. Okay, getting everything ready for start marketing, selling on various platforms. Oh, that's now. So your turnaround time question is around, how much time it will take for you to be ready to start selling products. Okay, so dependent if you're selling it on social media or maybe on a platform like Amazon, then consider maybe a week's time. But it depends how much time you commit to find good products, right? There are 10,000 SKUs, and my suggestion to all our users is, while everything is automated, click of a button, everything is available. Initial time should be spent to study the product. Okay, you see a product, a category, you like the product, pricing is correct, you can sell that product on a certain margin, add that to your inventory. So build that inventory, maybe 20, 25 products, or maybe 50 products at least, right? Do not go, if you have 300 limit, that doesn't mean you add 300 products, right? The 300 product is there always for you, you can always do that, but add quality products. As you see good products, keep on adding them, and then keep on launching them one by one. So I'll give you Amazon example. So you launch 10 products, let's say day 1, then 10 products maybe day 2, and then slowly and gradually 5, 2, 3 products. So that builds certain credibility to your Amazon store as well, and that's how you can launch these products and then start doing marketing, if at all it is required. If your account has a good performance, you are doing it there for a good period of time, organically भी आपके orders आने चाहिए. So to answer your question, I think a week's time आपको लगेगा, जब आपका पूरा सेटअप रेडी है, आपको समझ में भी आता है ओवरऑल ई-कॉम का जो प्लेटफॉर्म है, उसके फीचर्स हैं, वो आपको समझ में आएंगे, एंड प्रोडक्ट्स को ऐड करना, उनको लॉन्च करना इज अराउंड अ वीक्स टाइम. I hope I'm able to answer your question, Rajiv. There is another question. Hi sir, I'm Sithin. I have a doubt in this. On the website, the integration we need to do is not happening because it said 250 products. The last product I listed was on the 12th of last month, but from the 12th now it's been 30 days, right? So why is it that in the second month as well we couldn't list 250 products? Okay, so see, when we say limit of products, so अगर आपके प्लान में 250 का लिमिट है, so that means once you have added 250 products in your inventory and you start selling them, integrated them, made it live, that means you have consumed the limit of 250 products. You cannot add any more now. That is the limit. That is the purpose of the limit. Because you cannot remove a product which is currently live. You are selling that product, because when you remove, we will not be able to help you with the orders, right? So there is a technical as well as process constraint. So 250 limit at a plan level, you have added that to your inventory, you launched them. Now you want to add more products, you will not be able to do it because you have consumed the limit. The option for you is upgrade to another plan. 250 is a real good number. I mean, 250 products across various categories is a real good number. I personally would suggest review the products. Some of the products, if they are not relevant for you, maybe unmap them, right? You can remove the mapping, wait for some days, and then you can remove the products and replace them with new products. That is something that you can do. However, if you feel all 250 products are appropriate for you, then the other option is upgrade to another plan, which gives you maybe 300 product limit, maybe 500 product limit. So that you can decide basis your business need. Great. I think the other question, any possibility for selling on Flipkart? Yes, you can do that. See, there is no limitation when it comes to selling on any platform. You can sell e-com products on any platform. The only thing is drop shipping as a strategy works on only few platforms. So you can buy some of the, so let's assume you like a product and you don't want to go for bulk, but maybe buy 2-3 products as sample from here, keep it with you, launch it on Flipkart. If you get good results, then do a bulk buy. So that way you can use ecom as your sourcing partner, as your backend business partner to launch products, sell products on any platform in India. Right now we are not doing globally. Maybe in later years probably we'll do it, but right now for as far as India is concerned, you can sell these products anywhere, any platform, even including retail. You can do that. All right, so good questions. I'm really glad the quality of questions suggest that webinar जो है वो थोड़ा informative रहा है. You are able to get it, the message that we wanted to convey. But keeping the time in check, we are almost 5-6 minutes ahead of our time. So we'll have to sign it off now. Just before we close. So this webinar is there twice a week. So you should be able to join any of these webinars. We are here to support all the users' queries. At the same time, use chat support. We are always there for existing as well as new users. If you have any queries, we are here to support all your queries and questions. And so with that, we sign off now. And you have your ecom experts assigned to you. I'm sure they are in touch with you. आपसे contact में हैं. So you can also seek their help. They should be able to help you and answer all your queries as much as possible. The other thing that I want to highlight is the online store that we have. That is only for the early bird 50. So this is I wanted to clarify. It's available only for the early 50 registrations on ecom. So if you are really interested, make it fast so that you are able to avail this offer as long as it's available with us right now. So with that, I again thank you all. Thank you so much for your time. I understand it's a weekend, Saturday. Taking time out, that shows that you are serious about it. And I hope we are able to justify your time with the quality content and information. If there's any feedback, please feel free. You can reach out to us. Let us know how we can improve it, how we can make it even better, and help your business. So with that note, again, thank you so much. And now we sign off. Thank you all. Take care.